In recent months, the global stock market has been shaken by the announcement of new tariffs by former President Donald Trump. Investors are left wondering how these changes will affect their portfolios and the economy as a whole. Today, we delve into the intricate relationship between Trump's tariffs and the stock market's performance. As we explore the impact of these tariffs, we see a line graph illustrating the fluctuations in stock market values amid the impending Trump tariffs. This graph highlights the global stock market's response, showcasing notable peaks and valleys as investor sentiment shifts. The initial optimism quickly gives way to apprehension, reflecting the uncertainty surrounding these policy changes. Next, we analyze a bar graph titled Tariffs Concerns Projected to Exceed 2018 Levels. This graph illustrates the rise in mentions of tariffs during earnings calls for major indices, indicating a growing concern among companies and investors alike. The data reflects a noticeable resurgence in tariff discussions, particularly as projections for 2024 suggest that mention levels may surpass those from the peak year of 2018. In this scene, we see a close-up of a speaker addressing an audience. This image captures the seriousness of the discussions surrounding Trump's tariffs and their economic implications. The speaker's expression conveys the gravity of the situation, emphasizing the need for informed dialogue about the potential impacts of these policies. Now let's take a look at a detailed chart highlighting the significant financial impact of Trump-era retaliatory tariffs on U.S. farmers. This chart shows an estimated loss of billions in agricultural exports, particularly affecting China. The data underscores the broader economic consequences of these tariffs, which extend beyond just the stock market. As we continue, we present a line graph illustrating the stock market's reaction to the announcement of tariffs. This graph visually conveys the immediate decline in market values following Trump's announcement, reflecting significant investor concern and volatility throughout the trading day. Next, we analyze the fluctuations of the Canadian dollar and the Mexican peso in response to tariff headlines. This chart highlights the volatility in currency markets influenced by tariff announcements, showcasing how political developments directly impact exchange rates and investor confidence. We also examine the impact of U.S. steel and aluminum tariffs on stock markets in both the U.S. and Canada. The graphs illustrate a notable rise in stock values during the period when tariffs were enforced, indicating how these policies can create ripple effects across different sectors. In this scene, we present a financial graph detailing the performance of the S&P 500 index in relation to significant political events during Trump's presidency. This graph provides a visual narrative of how political decisions intersect with market dynamics, highlighting key moments that have shaped investor sentiment. Here, we see an image of former President Trump against a backdrop of $100 bills, emphasizing the financial theme related to his administration's economic policies. This visual captures the complex relationship between tariffs, the economy, and stock market performance, inviting viewers to reflect on the broader implications of these policies. As we conclude our analysis, we present a line graph showcasing the fluctuations in financial markets influenced by Trump's tariff threats. This visual effectively conveys the tumultuous impact of trade tensions on financial performance, emphasizing the need for investors to stay informed and vigilant. Finally, we look at the US dollar to Canadian dollar exchange rate, highlighting how the Canadian dollar has hit a 4.5-year low in response to tariff threats. This chart illustrates the economic instability that can arise from geopolitical events, reminding us of the interconnectedness of global markets. What are your thoughts on the impact of Trump's tariffs on the stock market? Do you think these policies will lead to a prolonged downturn or present new opportunities? Share your insights in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest content.